Arutani a mathukuru ma natharĩ kaunti-inĩ ya Kiambu rĩu mena mweke wa kũgacĩrithia na kwambatĩria mathomo mao rungu rwa mũbango ũrĩa kaunti ĩno ĩnyitanĩire na Mount Kenya University.
I'm very encouraged. When I look at these numbers, I'm encouraged because I am sure that you are supporting many students, pupils at that level, which guarantees us of continuity as a university. Because those kids that you are interacting with, you will support them.
Gavana Kimani Wamatangi akiuga kũrĩ na arutani ona matarĩ na maratathi ma bata ta diploma no rĩu mena mweke ũyũ.
You give us the costing MKU and us, we will allocate that first 20 million to let the first batch hapa wasome na pesa yetu kabla June ama wakati June inafika. The other year we shall increase now that allocation such that we have a transition all the time tukiwa tunalete walimu wetu hapa kusoma. Yeyote ambaye anataka kusoma, we shall ensure ya kwamba tumekulipia, umekuja, umesoma hapa, utoke hapa na diploma yako na degree yako ikiwezekana.
Afitha a gĩthomo makiuga Kiambu ĩkoretwo arĩ mũhiano mwega mathomo-inĩ ma natharĩ.
It isn't because I was around. I didn't say so because I was within your county, but I've been quoting your county in our trainings across the country. What did I say? You exceed expectations within the county. If I was to rank ECD capacity building, and not only capacity building, even we see on media, and I'm sure what we see is what happens on the ground about the classroom, the feeding programs.
Excellency.
Ino ni ceceni ya Inooro TV Thika, na niĩ njĩtagwo Moses Ngige.